Hello there, welcome back. So this is a 2004 BMW Z4. So I'm going to show you where the fuse box located at. So on the passenger side, underneath the glove box, we're going to squeeze these two knobs and the hole come down like this. I'm going to hold to this side and pull. Hold to the other side also and pull. And there you go. And that's where your fuse box is. That's it right there. So behind the small glove box right here. Up under there, guys. And that's your fuse box card. So this shows the different type of fuse. What they're for. Let's open it. Okay guys, so as you can see right here, show everything about the fuse for the car, number of them also. So I'm just gonna place it back right here. Let me see if I can do it this way. Alright, and there you go guys. I'm going to fit back this glove compartment, this glove box right here. So what I'm gonna do, pushing the bottom part first, just like that. And there you go guys. So thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching. Bye.